lot of times when we think about investment, we think about investing in things outside of ourselves. Intangible things like land, like a house, maybe like buying some goods and reselling them for profit. But I want to tell you that the greatest investment you might ever make in your life will be investing in yourself. You know, when you've gotten proficient in something, you're a good performer, maybe an athlete or speaker or some professional in whatever you do, right? And people start giving you accolades, they start applauding you and telling you how great you are. You have to realize it is time for you to start investing in yourself to get even better. Because people will not applaud you for the same performance twice. Because by the second time, the surprise element is gone, and the way they looked at it the first time at the level of excellence the second time would have diminished a little bit. So it is important for you to keep investing in yourself. You know, in my professional and personal life, one of the most challenging things that took me a long time to grasp and understand in the growth process is investing in myself. You see, that is something that a lot of people I know to struggle with. And the reason why is because a lot of times when we think about investment, we think about investing in things outside of ourselves. Intangible things like land, like a house, maybe like buying some goods and reselling them for profit. But I want to tell you, permit me submit to you today that the greatest investment you might ever make in your life will be investing in yourself. You see, people will not applaud you for the same thing twice. You know, when you've gotten proficient in something, you're a good performer, maybe an athlete or speaker or some professional in whatever you do, right? And people start giving you accolades, they start cheering you, they start applauding you and telling you how great you are. You have to realize it is time for you to start investing in yourself to get even better. Because people will not applaud you for the same performance twice. Because by the second time, the surprise element is gone, and the way they looked at it the first time at the level of excellence, the second time, it would have diminished a little bit. So it is important for you to keep investing in yourself. Hey, sorry for stopping the regular programming. If you're watching this video, you most likely are looking for clarity and confidence onto how to invest in assets, especially on the stock market, to build wealth, build a life of meaning, and certainly bequeath a lasting legacy. You know, in my community, I teach people just like you, whether you are a middle class earner or you're a high income earner or extremely high net worth earner. I teach you techniques, strategies, easy to use secrets that you can apply to your own life, to your own income that comes in, and how to multiply that income into significant wealth over a period of time. I teach you how to invest not only on the stock market, but to invest in yourself, to uncover your purpose, and to be able to build a life of meaning and legacy, which is the desire for many people. So if you are here on this platform today watching this video, you are certainly looking for something. Even if you're not looking for something, divine appointment has brought us together. So don't leave without clicking the like button, subscribing to this channel, and click the link down in the description section. Book a one-on-one call. Let's have a conversation. I might just have some ideas that will unlock not only your potential, but will set you on the path to build significant wealth. I will see you on the inside. I share this story with you because I'm actually in Los Angeles, in LA. I'm actually in the famed Lois Hotel. This hotel is actually right off the Walk of Fame in LA. If you've ever seen the stars on the ground where they have names of different celebrities, the hotel is right there. And I came here today for a 4-day seminar. This seminar has been organized by a legendary speaker called Lisa Nichols, and it is called Ignite. Now, I'm going to be spending $2,500 as a seminar fee. And then by the time you include my hotel fees and all the other expenses, it's about a $4,000 project. And you would naturally ask yourself, but Gustav, why do you need to come to a seminar where you're going to be taught speaking? I watch your videos, you speak very well. I watch you on YouTube, on Facebook. You speak excellently. You are a speaker. You've spoken to in front of hundreds of people. I see some of the write-ups you do on Facebook. You write up very well. Why are you trying to attend another seminar to get better at that? And the reason I'm doing that is because if you think I'm good, that means it is time for me to get even better. You have to understand the enemy to great is good, right? And for the things people appreciate me for already, what that tells me is that I need to get even better, so that way the impact on people have to be even more. Now, I bring up this point because a lot of people struggle with understanding why they should invest in themselves. Somebody listening to me now, I'm not sharing this information and what I'm investing in myself here to be arrogant or to be proud of anything. I am just sharing it to let you understand that the biggest niche, the biggest investment opportunity in your life most likely is going to be you. Especially in this time, in this economy, when everyone has to build a personal brand and a personal skill, where everyone has to learn how to contribute to generate income and revenue for yourself without necessarily counting on employment or somebody giving you a job, right? So I got into LA this morning, and interestingly enough, I was at the airport waiting to catch an Uber to get to the hotel, and I started chatting somebody up, and we just had a conversation, and we started talking about the need for self-investment, the need for people nowadays to sacrifice what it takes to get better at their craft. Let me tell you, I have watched great athletes like Kobe Bryant, like Messi, who plays football, Cristiano Ronaldo, Samuel Eto'o, all of these athletes. The one thing that really makes them very different is their willingness to invest for that incremental difference. That incremental difference means amongst themselves with other players who are marginal, right? The difference a lot of times is just one or two things that they do differently, that they've been able to work on differently to get to where they are. I was listening to an interview by Rooney. Rooney used to play for Manchester United along with Cristiano Ronaldo. And he confessed that Cristiano Ronaldo is the hardest working player he has ever met in his life. Now think about it for a second. This is one of the greatest soccer players who might ever have graced the soccer pitch, right? But he works harder than every other player. He mentioned that at the end of training, Cristiano Ronaldo will come on the field after all of them have trained for 2 hours, and he will spend another hour taking free kicks. And that is what made his free kicks so proficient, right? So now, if you're sitting there listening to me, I need you to understand that investing in yourself is critical, because that is what is going to create that marginal difference that takes you from good to great. Hey guys, in addition to all the valuable information I bring to you every week on my videos and my short videos on different platforms, especially here on YouTube, I also have a community of over 2,000 like-minded, serious and driven people who, like you, are receiving exclusively this time a newsletter once a week. And this information in the newsletter is unique, and it only goes to those people who are part of the newsletter community. So if you are interested in getting this once a week update, which includes different tips, different ideas on how to build yourself, how to generate wealth, how to make money, how to build a legacy, go ahead and click down in the link in the description, and you'll be able to join our newsletter community. And when you join that community, you would realize exactly how much value that brings to you on a weekly and daily basis. Let's get back to regular programming.
If you listen to me right now, I want to encourage you to understand that everything of significance, everything major, everything long term that delivers value over a long period of time will ride on the back of patience, on the back of enormous sacrifices. You need to understand that people will see the story, people will see the glory, but they will never understand the story. You know, other than the Lord and Savior of myself, God, the second person who has the greatest impact in my life is my father. May his soul rest in peace. I learned from him that everything you achieve in this life will require time, will require sacrifice, will require pain, will require sweat, and will require you giving up present enjoyment for a future that you might not be guaranteed of, but will come to pass. And if it works because of your sacrifice, it will be better than any satisfaction you would have achieved at that time. You see, sacrificing, postponing your present enjoyment, being able to give up the things you want now for the things you want in future will not necessarily guarantee success. But you know what will absolutely guarantee failure? Is not doing any of that. So yes, I don't know, in 20 years from today, there might be an economic crash and the value of this piece of land might go to zero. But what if there is not an economic crash? In 20 years, I'm sure this piece of land will be worth at least 10 to 20 times more. And I did nothing other than taking a leap of faith and making sure I invested. Not what I wanted now, but what I could perceive in my mind's eye for what lies ahead for the future. Don't buy into the hype today. Don't buy into all these gurus on the internet telling you can become a millionaire in a year. You can do this or that and you will make so much money in a short period of time. It's not possible. I have dabbled a lot in investing, and not only dabbling. I've spent the last 10 years of my life understanding a lot about personal finance, how money works, how the successful got to where they got to. And there is none of them over the 300 books I've read in the last 7 years on success. Over the thousands of hours I've spent listening to podcasts from great mentors like Ed Milet, Ray Dalio, listening to great people, even interviews from great billionaires out of Africa like Dangote, like Steve Jobs, all these different great people. None of them did I ever hear they made it to where they are in a quick succession. It was a complete, consistent, continuous stacking of cumulative activities that slowly built up to what it is today. I started a channel on YouTube about 2014, 9 years ago. I don't regret a lot in my life, but one of the things I really wished I understood better was the value of maintaining and sharing your ideas on a YouTube channel. It took me about 8 years to finally understand the value of documenting your life. It might not make a lot of sense to a lot of people, but there are people out there who will get value from what you are documenting. I hope this message meets you in a place where whatever it is that you're dealing with, don't give in to the temptation to give up. Understand that anything you achieve with your life will ride on the back of sacrifice, of relative amounts of pain, of grind, of sweat, of giving up a lot of what you want now for what you can enjoy for a long time. You know, I always say this: if you live your life casually, you will end up a casualty. Like one of my mentors, Les Brown, would always say, tears will bring you sympathy, only sweat will bring you results. There are a lot of people who are willing to sympathize with you upon your demise or upon difficult times in your life, but there are very few who will step up and significantly help you to change your life.
So now, if you're sitting there listening to me, I need you to understand that investing in yourself is critical, because that is what is going to create that marginal difference that takes you from good to great. So anytime you have an opportunity to spend some time, some money, some resources on getting better at your craft, don't ever hesitate, because that is the only investment you have direct control over, and nobody can take it from you. So as you go out there, be well, be blessed, but never stop to be a blessing to somebody. And please comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what part of this video you enjoy. If there are topics you would like me to talk about, feel free to leave it in the comment. And if you want to book a one-on-one appointment with me, click in the link in the comment and you'll sure get a chance to talk to me for 30 minutes. Until next time, take care of yourself.